In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and track sales goals in HubSpot, specifically through the Goals tool. We'll take you through this process from start to finish, ensuring that by the end, you'll be comfortable setting up your sales goals and tracking them effectively. Let's get started by opening up your HubSpot account and heading over to the reporting section. You'll want to select Goals from the main navigation. Now, let's dive into creating a goal. First, we'll take a look at the quick setup option via template. Begin by clicking on Create Goal and select Create from Template. Here, you'll find several sales categories to choose from. You can select from options like Revenue, Deals Created, Calls Made, or Meetings Booked. Each of these categories offers specific insights and benefits tailored to what you aim to achieve. Once you've made your selection, simply click Set Goal and you're on your way. Alternatively, for those of you with a professional or enterprise account looking for a more tailored experience, you can opt for creating a full custom goal. Start by clicking on Create Goal and this time choose from scratch. Now you'll select your object type, which could be a deal, call, or meeting, among others. Next, decide on the property, like amount or count, and choose how you want to aggregate this data, whether that's a sum, count, or average, for instance. There's also an option to add filters if you like. This could include focusing solely on closed-won deals or deals that are above a certain dollar value. The next step involves assigning your contributors and setting a time frame. Think carefully about who you want to include, be it specific users or entire teams. You'll also need to choose how long each goal will run, with options ranging from weekly to yearly, or even a custom time frame that fits your fiscal calendar. Now it's time to set those all-important target values. Decide on the numeric targets you want to achieve for each time frame period, such as monthly revenue goals. For consistent targets across periods, there's the Apply to Remainder feature, which streamlines this process. And if you're managing revenue goals, you can distribute these targets across multiple pipelines as needed. As we approach the final steps, you'll want to enable notifications. Setting milestone alerts can be incredibly helpful, such as when someone hits 50% or 100% of their goal. Once everything looks good, click Done to save your goal. It's worth noting that HubSpot updates progress every 24 hours, so you can track how things are going. To keep tabs on your goals, navigate to the Overview tab. Here, you can filter by goal type, duration, users, teams, or pipeline, offering a high level of customization. Should you need to adjust something, just hover over a user or team and select Edit. If a similar goal is needed, use the Clone feature, or remove it altogether with Delete if necessary. Finally, to visualize progress towards your revenue goals, make use of deal-based reports. Reference lines and specific filters can help you see exactly how your targets measure up against actual results. With these tools, you'll have everything you need to stay on top of your sales goals effectively.